Hi, my name is Reddy. My registration number is 015 CS291. This is my sixth experiment in DS lab. The aim of the experiment is to implement linear search in a randomly ordered list of elements and binary search in a ordered list of elements. Now going into the program. This is the program. The standard library file and header file are inserted. Here I have initialized two functions, namely linear and binary functions, and here the main function starts. Here I have given created the menu for the user, whether you want to perform the linear search operation or the binary search operation first. And by using switch case, he can the program will switch to linear search function and binary search function. And the default function is it will break. I mean the loop terminates, and here the loop continues for uninterrupted program. Here I have inserted a loop, while loop. When the user presses Y, the loop continues till the user really want to terminate the loop. And here goes the linear function. Here I have initialized three variables, two variables n and t, and here I have initialized an array with a size 40. The cout statement to enter the number of elements. It means it creates the space for the arrays to enter the number of elements, and the array size is fixed here, and it is taken as input, and the elements which the user want to sort, search, are entered here. As this we are dealing with linear search. Linear search is otherwise called as sequential search. In linear search, the user can enter any ordered or random numbers to be for searching. Here you have usually for loop for taking all the numbers as the input, and the CIN statement is used for taking the array. Here for loop is used to display the all array elements, in the output. Here we are going to search the particular number with in the set of numbers that are in the array, already present in the array. Here I used consider t as the number which we want to search in the group of the numbers. Here if t is equal to array, then in the output we get a statement call the number is found at index position, and here I used i+1 because according to our view the array starts from 1, but in the system the array default array initialization will be 0. To avoid confusion, here I used i+1 so that the index position will be given according to our view. This is binary search. In binary search, we need to enter the elements in an orderly position because the binary search usually starts from the midpoint and searches equally. Here I initialize some variables, namely m, l, h. Here L indicates the least value, and h indicates the high value in an array. Here I have given the size of an array is 50. Here the cout statements are given for the user to enter the numbers as we did in the linear search. Here also we need to the cout statements are given for entering numbers, and for loops are used to take all the numbers and to display all the numbers that are stored in the array to the user. The user can enter 50 number of values maximum, and here we are going to search the number. Here basically in orderly position means the user need to enter in an ascending order. The element which the user want to search is taken as E, and here we have initialized I is equal to L is equal to 0, which means that the lower value will be 0 and higher value will be depending on the number of elements which the user has entered. Here I have used an temporary variable. While temp is equal to 0, it means from the starting position the loop continues, the program continues. Here m is the midpoint. The midpoint is calculated by lower plus higher by 2. As we are dealing with data type t int, so the value will be taken as floor value will be taken. If we use a float data type, then the value will be the value will be in the decimal points. Here to find the element position, we have used if the element satisfies this condition, then if E is equal to A of M, if the element is found at the mid position, then the COUT statement will be given at the element will found at position m plus 1 is given. At the same way, in the linear search we have used I plus 1 because in our point of view the array starts with 1, but in the computer point of view the array usually starts with 0, so that we have used an temp plus plus. When the temporary variable is incremented, these program terminates. It means there will be it means the temporary value will not be 0, and again if the value which we want is less than the middle term, then then the program won't consider the suppose consider an elements 5 elements 1 2 3 4 5, and the value we want what we want considered is 2. The midpoint in these elements is 3 and the value what we want to be searched is 2. Let us consider like that. When we consider this case, 2 is less than 3, so here h is equal to m. It means that highest point will be 3 because 2 is less than 3, so we need not to consider the values that are greater than 3. In the same way, if the number is greater than 3, what we want now in this case, considered the number we want to search is 4. So here the least value is set to 3 because however the 4 is bigger than 3, so we need not to search the numbers that are smaller than 3. In this case the midpoint, the lower point is equal to midpoint. It means that the value 3 is the least point, so that the searching starts from 3 and it continues and it increments. Now let me run the program. Displaying it displays menu for the user. First we'll go with linear search, number 6. Here we can enter in any order, in any fashion. This is my array, and it is asking me to enter the element to be searched. Enter 7. See, it is found in index 3. If you have not taken I plus 1, then it will be showing that index position 2. To avoid confusion, we have to take 3. Now we will go with binary search. Here we have to enter in an orderly fashion, that means ascending order. It is asking me to enter the number to be searched. If I enter now 5, it is found at the position 3, and when you press no, program handle. Thank you.